Hello guys, once again Freshtalk is back to our channel. Today I will show you and I will let you know how we the village of P.Songkai are organizing a sport. It is the first time that we organize a sport. We may enjoy a lot by organizing such a sport. It is an opening ceremony. Yes, it is the first time that we organize village sport. So bro, how do you feel attending on this sport?
Yeah, it's fun. We have fun a lot. And we are waiting for chief guest now in front.
It's not a turn up, so we are
So
still waiting.
yeah.
So our chief guest. This is our chief guest. Along with our club president and secretary.
P.Songkai Cultural Club Blaze Permanent Goto, saya Ratna, untuk dengan begini saja, Ratna.
Beautiful playground of P.Songkai village.
second Timothy kenal tinggal. Kan tahu dia kahlet itu sesuai gom, tapi na pak kahlet makai. Ketu crown, so kai malai.
Sudah, lupa terus ramai menjadi penuh. Maka, kami singkir samki mau maksudnya bahan mana tegar ada apa ane dikelah sehingga Matra program juga ini bakal nasi gesta pembalap makan ini jadi minat so wajar tuja. Kalau tuja ketanggai lah boleh. Ketang sini tak ketanggai lain jam pada. Apa boleh? Sini sampai pasti lah.
Cuma tanya Thomas bisa klub gue presiden dah. Jangan namai. Ini sport sebetulnya namai merah lang betul je organisasi je lah sport loga pada sui lo belum ningkat pa atau klub presiden saya saja. Ani na aja. Kalau kamu nak organisasi orang dia polisi saja bambal pada dia je. Kalau kamu kadang me besi me fish me je. Sebetulnya orang je. Yang si orang lain je. Kalau
namai ke ram hukum penggom na nari amana cultural club na bau na penggom dak lolong tiga la na tim na apa nama kaning sing dak peza milung kerja ram country sama penggom dak lesi kita ratam na mina apa nama na penggom dak ma kiba penggom dak nama ya village sport bangule ja la khai bli ko ja ni ja lo nam ni do ko ja ko te bai be ja se go ja se sam ja ni ja te ra hang ja na mai ina me ku di kat ka be tina ku ja na mai dele tare disimor tare kai ja te set na mai ni lo ga village ko nom men ja na mai kan thawa ni sunon tha ta ja la mu ko je kana kan tha ble ni ko do tha ni jan tha ta la le ko je kana mi su ja sa lai dele ai gồm giảm nào point nằm đi về một cái này cái này bảo lấy này cái con hình sinh với nó mặc ra mày để xí có cái tay với nó mặc ra con thọ lấy này cái đu game lấy này cái đu ai gồm giảm lung cái ra từ về ngon quay đủ gì cái này mình suy cái sang đây nó point mà hăng lên mà ai gồm ra mình xong năm năm mình kinh năm ai gồm ra state cái chấm là xong mà Manipur Nagaland South India tại mà làm muối ăn xong này ai gồm ra không cái chấm là để xí cái tay ra gồm ra Kolkata Delhi Bombay ai gồm ra college ta jabam ramana ma kiba pungong dan mai ga mina point am za agum za ma kiba te to go ga gule za te si ga gule za ni na pungong be je gna na mai ga plu ni za suno te tat la da ko je gna mi su ga sang le
ani go viewers ani go ja aja all over the world ka te prelim ni aja ti jabam da si je na nang si le ja club president ta si yang ji che ne ko le bam ne si je na nang sare na te te le si do nang si ya ja ngai lo
aziz na suno I club president da seda azido ani sirang ga azidina se boing zema seda azidina ko zegna suno kale na ma kiba na pana manai gum sa ngong be zegna mi desimak rang simak on sudo mi na president kongwe bam tingya gum sa ma kiba ngong be zegna club bere gidu mi na ya bere gidu si zegna pe sona ina na ya ai sona ma kiba pe ja ngong bi jabam ra ko zegna ra dagna kale na ni ja te ta jabam ra hanga na bam sudo ni kem kai pe dile ko zegna और काले न सरांगे लगा तो कितनी चीज़ें नहीं सुना सारा दिले पेजन सोना ना सोरा चीज़ें के बाबा दिले मेरा पेन पेन
सुविधा mana ini na boleh tu bisa bamba aja ani ko club president sudah hanya pada kita saja dengan komputer tu dengan goli dan setinggi ini bamba ani nama dia Hai Abu ani ko channel views tu sebab cuma agak tagihan tobam bisa ani ko chief guest dulu chief guest pas ya ani keluar go ZB dah pa cuma ana mai go organize tu sebab bisa pelungan kau ning lau me pa ngai je lau me si aja lau me sebab bisa rangai rangga anu ini go te bisa sebab ani ko chief guest pi pe je lalai
I aram kau kumpul go village authority go I gaung murada jina Moikeng Daime da mai aram P.Songkai cultural club na village tournament organizers bam ja na ma ke laga desu ke tai bam ramna loga matai betor hang mai tu ngai ja kan tha ja na hi sing do ja kan tha ba blui sang ja tha ta la da la da po kan tha ja ine ngawai loga na asui sang le po kan tha ja so na na hang do ja mina pa na hang ga bnai loga bam din ma ngau kan sam ra ma hang ga pi na do ja ma cái tỷ lệ cam mi cái chặt chẳng cái này có sẽ chạy ngay là cái tàu này tôi chỉ cái này có tôm men mà bảo mà giờ làm có không phun qua mà thế nó mà mi đó tao tôi đặt tao mà thấy nạc luôn tao cái như vậy cái thằng thằng cái hay nào quăng cái là cái ngon căng giờ cái này sai cái tao này đó mà này cái có cái này đó mà này ini chief guest tu je i mata chi magla sido apo ta te wang ba ja i sang da le ka chhe da lu ga na lu toy kam ni le na ja po tournament kai ba ja na mai gren mak ja to na na gi do pingwang na kang jang je na ba toy de pe ji ha anai te dai de ban ba gi le che dai
nang mi ka ching te za bam ma dua po tournament ja organize continue te za bam rang nang mi lu ne ne lu lam lam
ai ja ka ching ra min le ja organize te ta ban ba ne de ja lu nei lo gi le gi do lu nei le ko je na hi na sak pa le ja na ma kom kom le ja ko tournament da na te da ja bam lo ko de ne
sui sang na pa na ani ang ga pi te za bam je na pe du pa du ja ani ko chief guest pe du pe ja pa do yi za ai so na printing te bi pi za bam rang pe ja ha nang na me lo si da hi
hello
hello
yes
is secretary of P.Songkai PCC.
yes
So, hello, Mister. Our viewers, your name. So, please, can you kindly tell your name to our viewers?
what do you mean I mean I don't understand
Those who watch our videos may like to know your name.
my name
Yes,
okay my name is Mr. Aaron
Aaron.
Daime and I'm doing as a cultural club secretary. So now today we are organizing the local village sport meet. So now we are going. It's going on our sport. So what to say?
Okay, according to your observation, the match is played between youngster and what is that? That
Eldest.
will be the winner of this match.
I think so. This match will be winning by youngster.
Youngster.
Yes.
Okay, then how do you feel organizing such a sport?
It's so good and so nice to.
Do you like to continue
Organize.
organizing such sport, or just want to end up from today itself?
No. It's we will be continuing this organization. So today or not, we will be continuing our sport and organizing this game and sport. So on organizing this sport, it will be improvement.
Yeah, of course.
So that's what we would like to continue the sport also. That's what we are organizing.
So, Secretary sir, as you are a secretary, please, I hope our members also giving a cooperation with you, or
Yes.
is it giving a cooperation with you, right?
Yes. Because our villagers and our club members, our village chairman, secretary, and all, they are giving a cooperation with us. That is what we happen to organize this sport meet. So smoothly we are going on now. It's good to practice and good to organize in a village also. So of course they are giving a cooperation with us.
Yes.
That's what we are.
According to my observation, it's a good platform to practice and to improve our sports skill extra. So thank you, sir, for giving us such a privileged time for me. And may God bless you to continue your work. Here besides me, you all can see he's a visitor. He's from Nagaland. So how do you feel attending on this sport meet?
It's my pleasure, and at the same time is happy. I'm happy to witness the match which has been organized by the PCC. I think it is. I would say it's a small event, but people sportsmanship grew only when there is a small event. So I think it's a very good platform. The youngster can generate their talent. And it was and it will be and it has been to my pleasure of being here to witness such an event.
Okay, bro. How is my village?
It's nice. Of course, it's a hilly area, and I really love the place. Just seeing the mountains, the valleys, the people friendly. I was happy, and I'll be seeing some few more interesting events.
Okay, I'm sure that our viewers may like to know your names. So please, can you
Okay.
kindly tell your name to our viewers?
Okay. I'm Ramkovam
Ramkovam.
from New Olong village.
How long village?
I visited, I came to this village along with my friend named Ivan.
Ivan.
Yeah. He invited me to celebrate the Christmas, so I was happy, and it was my first time visiting this village too. And yeah, it's a very quite interesting, and it's a very nice village. I request that those who have seen these videos, you can come and visit this village. You will enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much. And please, bro, do visit again.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I do. One day I will go to your village
Yeah.
and see.
Yeah, that's for sure. You can visit.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Right now, Apo organize dia bagi improvement lo ran lumin lumang lo. Ada lumang le. So thank you so much for giving me such a beautiful time for me. And here, hello, say hi. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi viewers.
Okay, tell your name to our viewers.
New Daime.
How do you feel standing on this spot?
The first P.Songkai village tournament football winner prize. Have it?